2. Automatic robot vacuum cleaner, strong suction remote control self-charging quiet cleaner. Automatically docks, recharges and adjusts to all hard floor types, tile, hardwood, laminate and more. 4 cleaning modes: auto, single room cleaning, fixed point cleaning, sweep along the edge. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks up furs, debris, dust and dirty easily and efficiently. Larger Road Rover wheels with self-rescue technology freely goes over uneven flooring. Cleans for you, clean your house with a click of a button. Versatile cleaning modes and the low-profile design facilitates cleaning under tables and chairs along with every nook and cranny.